most of us got our second and last jab months ago. Experts say that the immunity offered by COVID-19 vaccines wanes with time. So, as the third wave is threatening to take the world into its grip again, nations are mulling administering a third dose or the booster dose to their citizens. And India, which on Tuesday logged 1.68 lakh new COVID-19 cases and 277 deaths, has started administering the booster dose to those above 60 years of age with comorbidities and frontline workers. Meanwhile, there is no consensus on whether the booster shot should be different from the earlier two jabs that one had. Citing several experts, Down to Earth magazine recently said in an article that there is no peer-reviewed study in India on the efficacy of mixing vaccines. In July last year, the World Health Organization's chief scientist Soumya Swaminathan had advised against mixing and matching COVID-19 vaccines. She said such decisions should be left to public health authorities. On the other hand, pointing to a study in the UK, BBC had last year said that a mix and match approach appears to give good protection against the pandemic virus. Some other studies have suggested that mixing and matching vaccines offers an even better immune response than using the third dose of the same series. Back home, the Indian government is staying away from the mix and match policy for the booster dose for now. According to an Imperial College London report, for those fully vaccinated with Covishield, protection against fresh infection caused by the Omicron variant is just 3%. Protection against serious disease caused by Omicron is 18% and against death 29%. Now, with a booster dose, this will increase to 80% protection against serious disease and 88% against death. Medical experts have also suggested that the government should reduce the gap between the two doses of vaccines from the present 84 days or 12 to 16 weeks. This would ensure speedier full vaccination of the entire eligible adult population. The centre, though, hasn't taken any decision on that front yet. Meanwhile, it has said that the interval between the second and third doses will be 9 months. The decision to keep the interval between the second and third doses at 9 months has been based on the findings of 5 scientific studies carried out by the Indian Council of Medical Research or ICMR and the Translational Health Science and Technology Institute, Faridabad. The third shot or the booster dose will for sure offer some shield to the elderly and frontline workers from this ongoing wave of the pandemic.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.